You're just very lightly holding the fiber so that the fibers can pass between your hands. And my front hand is doing a little pull forward. Let the twist build up, a little pull forward. So a very light pinch, pull forward, a very light pinch, pull forward.
Hi everyone, I am Kim Beegler and I am here to tell you a little bit about the online course that I created for if you're wanting to learn to hand spin on a wheel. This is a course for total beginners. So if you are looking to connect to your yarn and your fibers more, if you're looking for a little community, if you're looking for calm, so much calm that comes with hand spinning, and if you're looking for total creative freedom in making the yarn you want, hand spinning is right for you. And you can definitely do it. I created a step-by-step online course. It takes you through learning about fiber, learning about your spinning wheel, learning how to spin, learning how to ply and finish your yarn. It's got everything you need to become a hand spinner. I'm going to share with you a couple peeks inside the course just so you can kind of see how it is and about my teaching style. And hopefully, if you're interested, you can pop over to my website and join. A new Zoom portion of the class opens up once a month. It's included and you get some free live Zoom coaching if it's something you want. If not, you can just learn online. So let's go take a quick peek.
By wheels here, we're going to take our yarn. And I know this is yarn that's already done, and I actually have it in a little bowl here just to keep it from running all over the house, which my cats would love. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tie a little knot here. And actually we could tie it probably a little bit further down so that we don't have, I'm not even going to cut it. We're just going to get down and dirty with this, but you feel free to cut the ends off of this once you make your knot. So we're just going to knot them together. And the idea here is that you get a chance to see, and we're going to turn the wheel, and I'm going to let it not hit my other wheel, and we're going to just let it take the yarn. So if you are lightly holding the yarn, it should be feeding the yarn in. And what's happening, you may be seeing a little bit of twist come out of the yarn, that's normal, is that it's starting to wind onto your wheel. So, okay, it is officially time to start adding some fiber to our bobbins. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull our yarn or our lead through wherever you're at. So we're going to go ahead and you can see, let me lift you up just a little bit, that I am going to just go ahead straight across to my hook and feed it through my hooks. And then I am going to pull my yarn through. We've already been through this, so I'm not going to walk through it again, but we're going to pull our yarn through here. And then I'm going to take some of this fiber that I've already pre-drafted and I'm just going to set it right behind underneath the yarn. And there's different ways to do this, but I think this is the easiest way for now. So I've got a good chunk of it right behind the yarn. And now all I'm going to do is start treadling, and I'm going to let some fiber build up on the yarn before I let it take it away. So the wheel may be starting to say take away, but you're going to hold on to it for a minute. You don't always have to listen to your wheel. So I'm treadling and I'm going to let, and you can see kind of some yarn, how it's twisting onto that yarn. So I'm going to hold it for just a second longer, and then I'm going to let the wheel take it here. So I'm going to feed that in. I'm just sliding my hand back and letting the wheel take it. See how I'm not doing anything else with my hand. My back hand is literally just holding the fiber, and I'm letting it. So I'm just letting a little twist build up, and then I'm helping guide it in. Let a little twist build up, helping guide it in. Okay, we're going to break our fiber and we're going to do that again, and
I hope you enjoyed the sneak peek into the course. So if you're learning from scratch, or if you've tried to learn in the past and you just didn't feel like you could get it, don't give up. I've had students on both sides and they learn to spin through this course. So head to my website if you're interested in learning. Grab the course. You can start anytime. You own it, and hopefully I'll see you in one of the live Zoom coachings. Thank you.